If speed had a face, it would probably look like this laptop. Unless it's Monday morning, then nothing works anyway. Today, we're diving deep into the Dell 14 Plus, the sleek productivity beast that's making waves in 2025. Starting with the design, the Dell 14 Plus is not your average boring business laptop. It's got a clean aluminum chassis, minimalist Dell branding, and weighs just around 1.5 kilograms, making it ideal for students, creators, and professionals alike. It features a 14-inch 2.2K display with 100% sRGB coverage, which means colors are punchy and accurate. Great for content creators and binge watchers. Under the hood, it packs up to Intel Core i7 13th Gen, with integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics or even an NVIDIA RTX 3050 option in some variants. This isn't just a notebook, it's a performance machine disguised as a laptop. Dell has improved the thermal system here. Dual fans, dual heat pipes, all of it works quietly even under moderate loads. You'll love typing on the backlit keyboard, and the trackpad is precise. But Dell, can we get a bigger trackpad next time, please? Battery life is around 7 to 9 hours, depending on usage. Not the best in class, but still solid for its performance level. You get Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, HDMI 2.0, USB-A, and an SD card reader. Dell's not playing when it comes to ports. So is the Dell 14 Plus worth it? Absolutely, if you want power, portability, and premium build quality in one smart package. Let me know in the comments, would you go for this or another laptop in the same range?